Hey guys, make Christmas rice with me. So today is Christmas and I'm going to be making fried rice. A very simple but delicious fried rice. You will love it. Guys, if you are looking for a fried rice recipe that won't go bad, then this recipe is for you. You are the right place. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. You have been playing. And here are my ingredients for this fried rice. So here I have my curry powder here, and then I have my thyme. I have my spring onions. I'm using chicken thighs. So this is chicken thighs. This is my protein. Here I have my bell pepper. I'm just using the red and the green bell pepper, and then some fresh peppers, hot pepper, green and the red one. And here is my green chili pepper and my carrots. I won't be using all of these carrots to make the fried rice. And here is my vegetable oil. Here is my rice. I'm using 2 cups of basmati rice. And here is my onions. I will be using these onions to cook the rice and to cook my chicken too. So in a blender, I'm going to be blending some garlic, fresh pepper and onions. This is to marinate my chicken. I'm going to add in a little water, blend it, okay? And then I've already washed and added my chicken in a dried pot. So I'm going to go in now with some seasoning cube. I'll add in some thyme, curry powder and my blended pepper mix. I won't be adding any water to this chicken. I'm just going to mix everything together to properly combine. Then I will cover the chicken and allow it to cook. And while the chicken is cooking, I will go ahead to prepare my vegetables. So I'm starting first with the carrots. And here is my carrots. Then I will go ahead to start preparing my bell peppers. I've already washed all the vegetables, and here is my green and red bell pepper. Here is my spring onions. So guys, let's go back to our chicken to check on our chicken. And now our chicken is properly cooked now. I'm just going to take it down and then we'll start making our rice. If at this point you have not liked this video, please like my video, okay, and help me to share. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. This is the best time to like, subscribe and share. In a dried pot, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add in my chopped onions. I'll add in my thyme and then I'll go in with some curry powder. The curry powder here is totally optional. You can just skip it if you don't want to, okay? Then I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for about 3 minutes. So this is going to release a very beautiful flavor into the oil. Guys, if you are looking to make fried rice that don't easily go bad, then this recipe is for you. Okay, so 3 minutes later, I'll go in now with my washed rice. I'll use hot water to wash the rice, and then I use cold water to wash it again until the water runs clear. I didn't parboil the rice. So I'm just going to add the rice now, and I'm going to start stir frying it, turning it at interval. Guys, I'm going to stir fry this rice for about 8 minutes. So I added in some seasoning cube to the rice, and then I'll go ahead to keep stirring the rice. This will enable the rice to come out well, and also it will help the rice not to go bad very easily. Okay, so 8 minutes later now, I'm going to add in my chicken stock. Then I will go in with my pepper me. So this is the green pepper, green chili, and some spring onions. So I added in water to it, and then I went in with some salt. I'm going to stir this now. Then I will cover and allow the rice to cook. I'm going to stir this until everything is well combined. Can see that everything is combined, so I'm going to cover and allow to cook. So while the rice is cooking, I'll be frying my chicken. So in a pan, I just heated up some oil, and then I'm going to start frying the chicken. So I'm going to fry this chicken until it is golden brown on both sides. So now let's check on our rice. Guys, our rice is perfectly cooked now. Look how yummy and delicious this rice is looking like. Guys, at this point you can choose to eat it like this, but no, we are not done yet. We are making fried rice. Okay, so I'm just going to set it aside and check on our chicken. And our chicken is fried now, perfectly fried on both sides, as you can see. I'll just take it out from the oil and then start stir frying our veggies. Using the same oil I used to fry my chicken, I'm just going to add in a little bit of the vegetable oil, then heat it up, add in some thyme, curry powder, stir this, and then I'm going to add in my veggies. Okay, I'm starting first with the carrots. I'm just going to add in this carrot, and then I'm going to stir fry this. Mind you, I'm doing this on a very high heat so that it doesn't get soft. Okay, I'm going to stir fry this for 2 minutes, and 2 minutes later I will go in with my bell peppers. Then I'm going to stir this, and then I'll be adding in my seasoning cube and salt now. So I'm using just one seasoning cube, the ordinary Maggi star. I'm just going to add in, and then add in some salt. I will mix this very well, and then allow this to fry for just a minute. Okay, minutes later I will add in my spring onion. I'm just going to stir this, mix this up very well, and then I will add it into our already cooked rice. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Please help me to subscribe and help me to like. If you have not liked this video up to now, please like it. Okay, this is the best time to like the video. Into our already cooked rice, I'll be transferring the veggies into the cooked rice. Then I'm going to mix this very well till everything is properly mixed. Guys, at this point your kitchen should be like should be disturbing your neighbors. I'm telling you at this point, your kitchen should be disturbing your neighbors. After mixing, I'll add in the remaining spring onions. I almost forgot the spring onions. So I'll just add it in now, mix up everything together. And guys, our yummy and delicious fried rice is ready. This rice came out so delicious, so yummy. You're going to love this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, do all that beautiful stuff to this channel. Merry Christmas, guys. Until I come your way in my next video, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you